Hello friends, welcome again to learn English sentences. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you some interesting sentences. So before we begin, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it, and also give us a thumbs up if you like our work. Okay, so let's get going. मैं तुमसे परसों मिलूंगी. I will see you the day after tomorrow. I will see you the day after tomorrow. यही मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ. That's what I want to ask. That's what I want to ask. वो उस पर अपना दिल फिदा कर चुका है. He has lost his heart to her. He has lost his heart to her. दोस्त होते किस लिए हैं? What are friends for? What are friends for? मुझे और पास से देखने दो. Let me get a closer look. Let me get a closer look. आप अभी तक खड़े हो क्यों हो? Why are you standing yet? Why are you standing yet? तुम खुद जाकर उसे बता दो. Go tell him yourself. Go tell him yourself. मुझे कोई बहाना बनाना होगा. I will have to make up an excuse. I will have to make up an excuse. क्या तुम थकती नहीं? Don't you get tired? Don't you get tired? मुझे घर में थोड़ा काम है करने के लिए. I have some stuff to do at home. I have some stuff to do at home. तुम आज पार्टी में जाओगे क्या? Will you go to the party tonight? Will you go the party tonight? उसने मुझे मेरे पैसे नहीं लौटाए. He didn't give me my money back. He didn't give me my money back. उसके आने तक यहाँ इंतज़ार कीजिए. Please wait here until he comes. Please wait here until he comes. वो बीमारी की वजह से नहीं आ पाया. His absence was due to illness. His absence was due to illness. तुम यहाँ से पूरा शहर देख सकते हो. You can see the whole city from here. You can see the whole city from here. ये मौका कल हो ना हो. You may get the opportunity again. You may get the opportunity again. मुझे ये काम करना है. I have to do this work. I have to do this work. इसको अपना ही घर समझो. Please make it yourself at home. Please make it yourself at home. अपना अच्छे से ख्याल रखना. Take good care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. कोई तो दोषी है. Someone is to blame. Someone is to blame. मैं उस बारे में कुछ बोल नहीं सकती. I can't really talk about it. I can't really talk about it. तुम उस ड्रेस में अच्छी लगती हो. You look nice in that dress. You look nice in that dress. जितना ऊंचा कूद सकते हो कूदो. Try to jump as high as possible. Try to jump as high as possible. मैं वहाँ गया क्योंकि मेरा मन था. I went there because I wanted to. I went there because I wanted to. जवाब ना देना भी एक तरह का जवाब होता है. No answer is also an answer. No answer is also an answer. मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि ऐसा हो. I didn't want this to happen. I didn't want this to happen. मेरी नानी धीरे धीरे बोलती हैं. My granny speaks slowly. My granny speaks slowly. तुम्हें फूलों में दिलचस्पी है क्या? आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन फ्लावर्स? आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन फ्लावर्स? जो हो रहा है होने दो. लेट हैपन वॉट एवर इज गोइंग ऑन. लेट हैपन वॉट एवर इज गोइंग ऑन. तुमने क्यों पूछा? वाई डिड यू आस्क? वाई डिड यू आस्क. तुम वहाँ से क्यों भागे? वाई डिड यू रन फ्रॉम देयर. वाई डिड यू रन फ्रॉम देयर. इसमें देखने की क्या बात है? वॉट इज देयर टू सी. वॉट इज देयर टू सी. तुमने मुझे आज कैसे कॉल किया? हाउ डिड यू कॉल मी अप टुडे. हाउ डिड यू कॉल मी अप टुडे. अब मुझे चलना चाहिए. आई मस्ट लीव नाउ. आई मस्ट लीव नाउ. मुझे बहुत बातें करनी है. आई हैव अ लॉट टू टॉक अबाउट. आई हैव अ लॉट टू टॉक अबाउट. उसको बहुत चोट लगी. ही इज़ बैडली हर्ट. ही इज़ बैडली हर्ट. वो मेरे पीछे पीछे घूम रहा है. ही इज़ रनिंग आफ्टर मी. ही इज़ रनिंग आफ्टर मी. तुम कब सोए? When did you sleep? When did you sleep? वो कैसे जाता है? How does he go? How does he go? किसी को दुख मत दो. Don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone. माचिस जला दो. Strike the match. Strike the match. कल तक सब हो जाएगा. Everything will be done by tomorrow. Everything will be done by tomorrow. मुझे और कहाँ ढूंढना चाहिए? Where else should I find? Where else should I find? क्या मैंने कुछ गलत किया? Did I something wrong? Did I do something wrong? हम आपको बुलाएंगे. We will call you. We will call you. तुम बातें बहुत अच्छी कर लेते हो. You have the gift of the gap. You have the gift of the gap. अभी मेरा मूड ख़राब है. I am in bad mood now. I am in bad mood now. उसे झूठ बोलने की आदत है. He is used to lying. He is used to lying. बुरी संगत छोड़ दो. Leave the bad company. Leave the bad company. ये मेरी गलत फहमी है. It's my under illusion. It's my under illusion. मेरा चाय पीने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like taking tea. I feel like taking tea. कोई बहाना नहीं चलेगा. No excuse will work. No excuse will work. खाते समय बात मत करो. Don't talk while eating. Don't talk while eating. आस पास रहना. Stay close by. Stay close by. बहुत बेकार था. It was worst. It was worst. उसने मेरी रातों की नींद उड़ा दी. He has taken away my sleep. He has taken away my sleep. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could have happened. Anything could have happened. आपको मैं कैसे समझाऊं? How do I make you understand? How do I make you understand? यादें आज भी वैसी ही हैं. Memories are not yet vanished. Memories are not yet vanished. तुम्हारी सोच खराब है. Your thinking is not good. Your thinking is not good. उसे फ़ोन करो. Ring him up. Ring him up. तुम्हें डांट पड़ेगी. You will be scolded. You will be scolded. देर मत करना. Don't be late. Don't be late. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? तुम्हें इसे राज रखना चाहिए था. You should have kept it secret. You should have kept it secret. मैं उसको ये बात समझाऊंगी. I will explain it to him. I will explain it to him. ऐसी बात मत बोलो. Don't say such a thing. Don't say such a thing. मेरी आँखों में धूल चली गई. I have dust in my eyes. I have dust in my eyes. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching everybody, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also to share it. We will see you next time on Learningly Sentences. So bye bye.